So as I mix this, I can feel the salt breaking down the cabbage. It's getting more of a liquid consistency, less solid. So the juice of the cabbage is starting to get released from the cell walls. And now I'm just going to finish up here and let it sit for 15 minutes or so before I press it into a mason jar. So now that I've let the cabbage salt mixture sit for 15 minutes or so, I'm going to put it into the mason jar and press it down. And I could really use a funnel for this, but just have to kind of make do with improvisation. So as the jar fills up, I've adapted a little technique here. I take a what is this? Mortar and pestle. I guess this is called the mortar. And I just use it to press down because we want to compress the cabbage to the extent that it is submerged below its own juices. So I keep adding more cabbage, pressing down more really hard. I can see the juice starting to rise. And here's the finished product. I filled the jar not quite full. You want to leave a little gap right at the top of the jar. Otherwise, when you open the lid periodically, which you should do every 12 hours to release the gas for the first couple of days, maybe 3 days. Otherwise, the fermentation gas could explode the jar. You don't necessarily have to use a mason jar. You could use a just cover it, but yeah, you want to leave a little gap at the top. Otherwise, when you pop the lid, the juice will overflow the top. And so I'm just going to cover this with a towel to keep the light out, and it should be done in a couple, 3 days, at room temperature. And then you can just put it in the refrigerator. You want to be sure to always use a clean utensil to remove the sauerkraut so that you don't introduce new bacteria into the product. And enjoy this delicious probiotic addition to your diet.